Hey YouTube, so I'm going to show you how to install a hard drive on the older Xbox 360 and the Xbox 360 Elite. So let's get started. So on the older one, it's quite simple. It's just on the top and it just snaps in. So here's the hard drive, 60 gigabyte, and just snaps right in. Just like that. Okay. And then for the Xbox 360 Elite, on the right side, there is a secret compartment right here. Okay. As you can see, and your hard drive just slides right into there. So here's my hard drive. 500 gigabyte, and it just slides right in. Push it in until it clicks, and then that's it. Put your cover back on, and that is how you install a hard drive on your Xbox 360 Elite and the older Xbox 360. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thanks.